Hi guys, Casey with Management One. Are you looking for a 5-bedroom home in Corona, California? If so, stop what you're doing, come with me. I've got the place for you. Hi guys, today I'm at 2968 Corral. This is a 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom home. It's got a beautiful kitchen, beautiful backyard, a fireplace, even a bedroom downstairs. Very perfect home for a family. Come with me and I'll show you around. If you can see yourself in this home, make sure to go to m1rent.com today. Don't wait. This one's not going to last long.